The universe is vast and silent, a place where the stars themselves seem to keep secrets, and the darkness between them stretches on forever. But sometimes whispers emerge, not from the depths of space, but from the glowing screens of our digital world, where information travels at the speed of light and rumors can ignite in an instant. A grainy image, a leaked document, a frantic post. Suddenly, speculation erupts. The smallest hint can spark a wildfire of curiosity and debate. The story spreads. A new object, 3I/Atlas, supposedly discovered by NASA and kept secret from the public eye. It's not a comet or asteroid, the rumors say. It's something engineered, something that hints at intelligence beyond our own. The idea of alien contact is irresistible, fueling hopes, fears, and endless curiosity. People gather, debate, and dream about what it could mean for humanity. Viral rumors thrive on just enough plausibility to make us wonder, what if? The line between fact and fiction blurs with every share and retweet. The internet turns these stories into modern myths, spreading them globally in hours, connecting millions in a web of speculation and excitement. But we must ask, where did this story come from? Who started the rumor, and why did it catch fire so quickly? Is it rooted in real science or pure imagination? Sometimes the truth is stranger than fiction, but often fiction is simply more exciting. The allure of conspiracy is powerful, making us feel like insiders to a cosmic secret, as if we're on the verge of uncovering something monumental. Viral rumors don't need to be true, just compelling enough to capture our imagination and keep us clicking for more. The tale of 3I/Atlas is a perfect case study in how fiction blurs with reality online, and how quickly stories can evolve. Before we investigate, we need to understand what it truly means for something to visit us from another star system, how rare and remarkable such an event would be. Let's look at the real interstellar visitors that have already graced our cosmic neighborhood and what they've taught us about the universe. Only then can we begin to separate cosmic fact from fiction and truly appreciate the mysteries that still await us in the stars. Our solar system is a bustling neighborhood. Planets, moons, asteroids, and comets all orbiting the sun in a cosmic dance. Each object follows its own path, bound by the sun's gravity, creating a dynamic and ever-changing system. For centuries, astronomers believed everything we saw in the night sky belonged to our solar family. The idea that something could come from beyond was once unimaginable. But every so often, a mysterious wanderer from another star system makes its way into our home, crossing the vast gulf between the stars. These are interstellar objects, comets or asteroids born around distant suns, ejected by gravitational chaos, and set adrift for millions, even billions of years before arriving here. When one of these rare visitors crosses our path, it's like a cosmic tourist on a one-way journey, passing through our solar system just once before vanishing forever. The giveaway? Its path, a hyperbolic trajectory, moving so fast it can't be captured by the sun's gravity. It's a fleeting guest, never to return. Unlike our local objects, which orbit the sun in repeating cycles, an interstellar object swings by once and then disappears into the depths of space. To keep track of these extraordinary discoveries, the International Astronomical Union created a special naming system, I for interstellar, followed by a number marking the order of discovery. 1I was the first, 2I the second, and so on, each name a milestone in our exploration of the cosmos. These rare visitors are like time capsules from other worlds, offering us a precious glimpse into the building blocks of alien planetary systems and the history of distant stars. They're invaluable, physical samples from places we may never reach, carrying clues about the chemistry and conditions of far-off solar systems. Each one is a messenger from the galaxy, carrying secrets of its origin and the story of its long journey through interstellar space. By studying them, we can better understand how unique, or how common, our solar system might be compared to others in the universe. These are the real cosmic wonders, fascinating objects that remind us the universe is full of surprises, not just stories or myths. So, let's meet the very first of these interstellar messengers and discover what secrets it brought from the stars. In 2017, astronomers in Hawaii spotted something extraordinary, an object that would soon captivate the world of science and spark debates across the globe. It was a fast-moving object on a hyperbolic path, traveling faster than anything seen from our solar system, and clearly not bound to the sun. The object was named Oumuamua, Hawaiian for messenger from afar arriving first. The name itself hinted at its mysterious origins. Unlike anything seen before, it was small, incredibly fast, and oddly shaped, possibly cigar or pancake-like, with a reddish hue that suggested it had traveled through interstellar space for millions of years. Its brightness fluctuated wildly, hinting at an extreme, elongated form. This tumbling motion made it even harder to study and understand. Stranger still, as it sped away from the sun, it accelerated slightly, without any visible tail or gas, defying what we expect from comets or asteroids. Normally comets accelerate due to outgassing, but Oumuamua showed no such signs. There was no visible evidence of ice or vapor being released. This mystery sparked wild theories, including the idea of alien technology. A solar sail, perhaps, sent intentionally or drifting through space. Most scientists searched for natural explanations like invisible hydrogen outgassing or a fragment from a distant planet, but the alien probe idea captured imaginations everywhere. Oumuamua was a true cosmic puzzle, our first taste of the unknown from another star, and a reminder of how much remains unexplored. It showed us how much we still have to learn about the universe, and how many surprises may be waiting in the darkness between the stars. Its brief visit left us with more questions than answers, fueling curiosity and inspiring new generations of astronomers. But it also set the stage for our next interstellar encounter, as scientists prepared for the possibility of more visitors from beyond. The universe had sent us a riddle, and we were eager for more, our curiosity reignited by this cosmic messenger. What would the next visitor reveal? What other secrets might be drifting through the vastness of space, waiting to be discovered? The answer came just 2 years later. Enter 2I/Borisov. The story continues, and the search for cosmic mysteries goes on. In 2019, amateur astronomer Gennady Borisov discovered a new comet on a hyperbolic path. This was 2I/Borisov, our second confirmed interstellar visitor. Unlike Oumuamua, Borisov was spotted early, giving astronomers months to study it. As it neared the sun, Borisov behaved like a classic comet, developing a coma and tail. Telescopes analyzed its light, revealing water, carbon, and familiar molecules. Its chemistry matched comets from our own solar system. This suggested that the building blocks of planets, and maybe life, are common across the galaxy. Borisov was a cosmic cousin, not a stranger. It showed that interstellar visitors can be both bizarre and familiar. Together, Oumuamua and Borisov gave us a baseline for what real interstellar objects look like. These discoveries set the standard for evaluating new claims. Now, with these real examples in mind, let's examine the legend of 3I/Atlas. Does it measure up? The internet buzzes with claims about 3I/Atlas, an interstellar object secretly confirmed as alien by NASA. But a quick check of official databases and scientific journals reveals the truth. 3I/Atlas doesn't exist. The name is a clever fabrication, mixing real naming conventions with the name of a genuine survey project. Only 2 interstellar objects have been confirmed, Oumuamua and Borisov. The next will be 3I, but it hasn't happened yet. The rumor thrives because it sounds plausible and feeds our hunger for dramatic revelations. Real science is methodical, not sensational. If an alien craft were found, it would be impossible to hide. Astronomers worldwide would be tracking and publishing data. The scientific community is global and open, not a secretive cabal. The 3I/Atlas story is fiction, not fact. Let's see how real discoveries are made. Science is a process, not just a collection of facts. When a new object is spotted, telescopes record its position and movement, sharing data globally. Observatories confirm findings, and astronomers calculate orbits. Hyperbolic means interstellar. Spectrometers analyze light to reveal composition, rocky, icy, or something else. Every claim is scrutinized through peer review, where experts check data and challenge conclusions. Only after rigorous testing is a discovery accepted. Extraordinary claims, like alien technology, require extraordinary evidence. Scientists exhaust every natural explanation before considering the extraordinary. The 3I/Atlas rumor skips this process, which is why it remains fiction. Real science is transparent, collaborative, and self-correcting. That's how we separate fact from fantasy. Contrary to popular myth, scientists aren't terrified by the unknown, they're thrilled by it. Anomalies like Oumuamua spark creativity and collaboration, not panic. Theories abound: nitrogen icebergs, hydrogen outgassing, cosmic dust bunnies. The search for extraterrestrial intelligence is a serious, ongoing scientific quest. Discovering alien life would be a triumph, not a crisis. Science thrives on mystery. It's the engine of discovery. The desire to find life elsewhere drives missions, telescopes, and research. Curiosity, not fear, is at the heart of exploration. The real story is one of optimism and wonder. We're surrounded by information and misinformation. The 3I/Atlas story is a perfect example of how fiction spreads online. To separate fact from noise, always check the source: official press releases, peer-reviewed journals, reputable news. Social media and anonymous blogs are not primary sources. Healthy skepticism means asking for evidence, not dismissing new ideas. Real discoveries come with data, spectra, orbits, images, open for all to see. Science fiction is fun, but we must know where to draw the line. Enjoy the myth, but don't mistake it for reality. The real universe is already full of wonders. Seek out the facts, and you'll find stories more amazing than any rumor. The legend of 3I/Atlas reflects our deepest longing. Are we alone? This question has driven our myths, art, and now, our science. The search for life is a quest for connection, hope, and understanding. Our tools are more powerful than ever. Telescopes like James Webb, missions to Europa and Enceladus, and SETI's radio searches. For the first time, are we alone is a testable question. The answer, life, intelligence, or silence, will transform us. If life is common, we're part of a cosmic community. If rare, our existence is precious. Let rumors inspire imagination, but trust the patient process of science. The universe offers no guarantees, only the promise of discovery. The search continues, the sky remains open. Out there, the most amazing discoveries still await. The cosmos is calling, and we are learning how to listen.